NEET or National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test is an exam for students in their 12th standard who wish to pursue undergraduate medical and dental courses in private or government medical and dental colleges in India. It is conducted by NTA. NEET has replaced AIPMT and all other MBBS admission related exams conducted by states and colleges since 2013. Now, NEET will be the only exam for admission to medical and dental colleges in India, and thus all colleges will accept students based on their NEET scores. Coming to the syllabus part, the syllabus for NEET is all the core concepts taught in physics, chemistry, and biology in 11th and 12th standard. And now coming to the eligibility criteria for NEET 2021, the eligibility criteria is that candidate must belong to any of the following categories, like if he need to be a citizen of India or overseas citizen of India or an NRI or a foreign national. Candidate must have successfully completed his 10 plus 2 examination or must appear in 10 plus 2 exam in the current year with physics, chemistry, biology and English as mandatory subjects. Candidate's age must be at least 17 years as on 31st December 2020. Candidates should have scored minimum qualifying percentage, which varies with the category. For general candidate, it is 50%. For general physically handicapped person, it is 45%. For OBC, SC, ST, it is 45%. And for OBC, SC, ST, physically handicapped, it is 40%. Coming to the NEET paper pattern. So NEET is a 3-hour duration objective offline pen and paper based exam. The questions are MCQ based with 4 options each. There are 180 questions in the exam, and 4 marks will be awarded for correct answer, and there is a negative marking of 1 mark for each wrong answer, and no mark will be awarded for an unanswered question. The paper is available in various languages, be it English, Hindi, Assamese, and many others. NEET can be given once a year, and the official website for NEET is www.ntaneet.nic.in. So, coming to the section wise distribution, in each section there would be 45 questions like physics, chemistry, biology, and zoology. Each will have 45 questions, and the NEET provide the students with the flexibility to opt for languages. So if a candidate has chosen for English language, then he will be provided question booklet in English only. But for candidates opting for any other languages, will receive a question booklet in English and an additional booklet in the language of their choice. Now coming down to the language and exam centers. So if language is English plus Hindi, then this duo will be available in all the centers, and for others it depends on the state. So if a person has opted for Assamese language, then English plus Assamese question booklet will be available in Assam centers only. NEET or National Eligibility